Today is Wednesday, the 15th of July, 2020, and I'm Joe McParland with TCM Labs. What follows is a demonstration of a Google for Business login to mail and calendar applications using a third-party identity provider. In this example, swordmountain.org is our Google for Business account, and TCM Labs is our corporate domain. We'd like to select users from TCM Labs to access their Sword Mountain accounts through TCM Labs single sign-on. Note that this is the opposite of what you may ordinarily see, namely, logging into web services using your Google account. This is a demonstration of FreeIPA controls over Google Login. It is not a guide to installing FreeIPA, Keycloak, or integration with Google. Configuration is non-trivial and has been done behind the scenes. In this clip, we'll show login to mail and calendar services. We'll show creating a user in the Google console, creating a user in FreeIPA with a matching user ID, logging into Google with FreeIPA credentials, logging out of Google, an attempt to log in after an administrator disables the FreeIPA account, and then an attempt to log in after the account is re-enabled. Note that while things such as two-factor authentication with Kerberos or time-based one-time pad, and user restrictions based on items such as group membership can be configured, we are limiting ourselves to username and password for this demonstration as an easy demonstration for a single sign-on login and admin block functionality. Some key points to consider. This only works with Google for Business and similar paid accounts. It does not work with free Google personal accounts. Access to your Google Administrative Console requires logging in with Google admin credentials for the domain. This cannot be delegated to the third-party identity provider. Google requires that users are provisioned on the Google domain before accessing those user accounts with third-party identity management. Google can, and occasionally does, require that a user provide an additional verification step of authenticating with the user's Google credentials. This may be a significant drawback if you would prefer that access is exclusively with your own identity management system. The flip side of this is that you may, for example, configure access so that the user has corporate SSO from inside the Office domain, but must use Google's own authentication when outside the safe zone. Your identity management's ticket lifetime policies may not be honored by Google. That is, Google may allow a user to remain logged into Google services longer than you would like. And with that, the clip.